Watch how it go past faster. Watch how it go by faster than you think it is, bro. But chat, we are about to light these fireworks right now. Y'all see these, man? Oh, look what he said. Oh, nah. He just loved it. Are y'all down to light these damn fireworks, bro? Are you guys ready to light these freaking fireworks? Now, I ain't gonna lie, KSI seem cool. Doesn't he, chat? Doesn't KSI seem cool? Like, it'd probably be nice to meet him. But he still doesn't get hoes, though. That's crazy. Imagine still not getting hoes. That's fucking crazy. He doesn't get no type of hoes, bro. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's go! I got a lot of fireworks right now. First one off. Let's light the Pikachu one, y'all. Let's think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Chat, I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? Where the fuck my lighter at? No. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. Alright! Pikachu! Oh my god, Mom! Oh my goodness!
Is it a fire?
No!
Oh my god, is it a fire?
No, it's not!
Yes, it is!
It's not!
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know! I thought
oh my god!
Stop!
Turn that stream on!
I didn't...
Oh my god, this is on fire!
I didn't know! I thought it was the popping ones, Mom!